Have you ever wondered what the secret behind prosperity and success truly is? What makes one individual's journey different from another's? Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is there something more? Welcome to Prosperity Channels, where we explore these intriguing questions and more. Consider the story of a young woman who grew up in a small town with big dreams. Her parents worked multiple jobs, yet they struggled to make ends meet. Despite the hardships, she held on to her dreams, fueling her journey with relentless determination and an unwavering belief in her potential. Today, she stands as a beacon of prosperity and success, running a multi-million-dollar business that began as a simple idea. Her story serves as a powerful reminder that prosperity is not a product of circumstance, but a result of perseverance, self-belief, and resilience. Or take the tale of a man who found prosperity later in life. After spending years in a job that brought him little satisfaction, he decided to take a leap of faith and pursue his passion for painting. Despite the skepticism of others, he remained steadfast, turning his passion into a thriving art career. His journey to prosperity underscores the importance of following your passion and staying true to your convictions. Every prosperous individual has a unique story to tell, each offering a distinct perspective on the path to success. These stories remind us that success is not a destination but a journey that requires courage, resilience, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Imagine what you can achieve when you tap into the wisdom of these prosperous individuals. Imagine how their stories can inspire and guide your own journey to prosperity. Now you don't need to imagine it, because Prosperity Channels is here to make it a reality. Make a commitment to your journey of prosperity and success. Subscribe to Prosperity Channels today. Every subscription brings you one step closer to a wealth of knowledge and inspiration that could transform your life. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the journeys of prosperous individuals, unraveling the secrets behind their success. Prosperity Channels, your gateway to a life of abundance and success.